So the most important thing about an offer that works is that when you are selling an offer, you have to present it as something that is worth more than it's going to cost you. That is how you need to present an offer. An offer, the way you sell an offer is that this thing I'm giving you is worth far more than it's costing you. Because when you really look at it, I'm giving you a 1-year warranty on this thing. I'm giving you peace of mind. If this equipment breaks down or anything happens to it for the next 1 year, call us. We will fix it and maintain it and do whatever it takes. That gives you peace of mind as a business. Can you put any value, money value, on peace of mind? No, your peace of mind is invaluable. You can't put any. So if it's by such things that you're like, so by asking you to buy this equipment for $5,000, it is a fantastic deal for you because you are getting far more than you're paying for it. We are giving you things that give you peace of mind, convenience, and all those other things that you cannot really pay for. They don't have a money value because they are so valuable. You can't put a money tag, you can't put a price tag on them. So you have to, when you are selling an offer, present it as if it is far more valuable than what that person is paying for it. And of course, how do you do that? Perceived value mostly are emotional triggers. Things like convenience, advantage. Advantage, for example, if you take this course, you are going to have a level of knowledge and skill that most of your competitors don't have. And that will mean that you're able to get more customers, grow your sales, grow your business, and become a much more successful business. This product I'm selling to you will give you a competitive advantage. That's an emotional trigger. This example I just gave you now will work for a business. Businesses want to have an advantage over their competition because competition is draining. Competing with other businesses, is very draining. So if you're going to offer something that gives a business an advantage, the perceived value goes up. There's safety. How am I sure I'm not making the wrong decision? What if something happens? There's status, right? Join the top 5%. Join the big boys and the big girls in the industry. Leave the crowd and stand out from the crowd. Those kinds of things are status. Buying the iPhone, buying designer fashion makes you stand out. It gives you some level of status, right? Relief. You've been going through, this thing has been causing you sleepless nights, headaches, it has been troubling you. You've been having this problem with your business. The problem has been you're looking for how to recruit talented people, and it's been giving you headaches. And now this consultant has come in and has sold you a package that will give you relief. The consultant will take care of the recruitment, get you the kinds of people that you're looking for, while you sit back and focus on running your business. That's relief. If you sell relief, your perceived value goes up. If you sell saving time and money, so right now you are spending your time doing all these operational tasks. Meanwhile, as a CEO, you're supposed to be focused on strategic activities that will open doors and make this business more successful. So what I'm going to do is we're going to provide you an executive assistance service, virtual assistant service. All those administrative tasks that are taking your time, booking appointments, setting up meetings and all those things, we're going to take it off your table. We'll look after it, take care of it, so that you can focus on strategic stuff. That kind of language in that person's mind, that person is like, wow, this is going to save me a lot of time. I usually spend like 4 or 5 hours every day doing all these operational and nuisance tasks, and now, wow, you're going to save me time, you're going to save me money. That will increase your perceived value. Ease of use. If something is easy to use, plug and play, doesn't give you stress, doesn't rattle you, doesn't cause you discomfort, it's very easy to just plug it in and it works. Boom. Perceived value goes up. So these are the kinds of things you need to be communicating. If you're interested in learning more about the topics I offer when it comes to starting, building, and growing a business, this is your opportunity to join my community. It's known as the BMG. I provide extensive courses on different topics and challenges that afflict business owners, from how to optimize your profits, how to manage costs, how to boost your sales, how to develop processes, how to scale your business. There's a whole lot that I can teach you. If you want to go deeper into my content, this is your chance. Go to the link on your screen right now, jointhebmg.com.